busa omo se adwuma no mu ye bi adwuma no mu nya bi o ka no mu ntwi bi ye as a regional chairman no itwi ka ne bi.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Charlie, driver voices say, yeah, almost see if I increase the offense and lorry fare by 25%. She see nothing happened yet. Nothing. NOTHING. Nothing happened yet. Like, it's kind of phone. You're so dindodo. You're Casachrea, Yenti. Yentio. Yenti. Neo ya jumu nana ebeye. Neo ya jum. And nana ebeye. Uye dengana fonti. We have allowed politicians to play with our komlacheche, our brain. For too long. For too long. We've allowed political infiltration into too many sectors of our country. And it's so bad. It's so bad. Extremely bad. Extremely bad. And that is why we are here today. Uko GPRTU, NDC, NPP. Uko Utaga, NPP, NDC. Teu, NPP, NDC. And we have been saying, say, the moment you start doing this, no, the bargaining power of the various union, they start losing it. They start losing it. Have we not said it several times? Yanka, we said it. Say, Oma Obi, Oma politicians, Owa Opeso ye chairman, Emma GPRTU, Emma concerned teachers, Emma Anyway. This kind of politician, you'll be forced to do the bidding of that politician. And it's for that reason that civil service, no, they must be independent. But yenti, asun ti asem, ekasa treya, yenti. Secondly, we told you, say NDC ampese mukoto abamo omuno. Omu ni plan bia ema oman Ghana 18. Omu ni plan bia. Omo semani say omo in opposition for 8 years. And to omo in opposition for 8 years no, adrum so, ese omo so beti na ban mu. Na ka kire mu say, obi wo ho amamu alternative. Oye Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Amamu alternative. Say fuel ni boy kosro no. Ese yen fa electric car. Feasibility. Obi be more solution to your problem. You have to see whether the solution the person is giving you is feasible or not feasible. Some things might sound like they are feasible, but they're not feasible. Is it doable? It's not doable. Now, in Bissau, NDC for no campaign time solution ben amde buy. Can you remember one solution? Just one. NDC they buy during the campaign time. Zero.
Yeah. The Tiana say me PRO ewa wakasa. PRO aka be chairman aka. Ye beka ache na nanu nse omaka. Enso nya dia ye de be ye adwuma.
Ade.
Busa omo se adwuma no mu ye bi. Adwuma no mu nya bi o. Ka no mu ntwi bi. Yeah, as a regional chairman, you can be. Into a national executive, no Muchika.
One Muchi Powell in Agbado, no Muchika.
Oh, the other somebody named Krumke. Yanni, Jumo. What? The can't do a gumisu Kumasia. If much work can pay, blow more Blennon Conba, and never thought to ya, Umkute, Busano. If Muto diesel 1,000. Okay, 3.5. Bus stations can be to a hand Ghana in the 14.5 eco 15 million. It a day 20 man Juma more, sir. Chopman growing a bit. What do you mean? Okay, say, having Opa Mupo, Muntubacana, Munko Station, Munko Hardy. Gabba for the came says petai. It didn't ya because of petrol near Cosson. Any near me Cosso agency, more ye bre driving a Juma Hono. Ye brepa. Na de ye me yakra ani say abandada otwa mu ko ye na nado ene na aban eye the same thing say ye mpanifo ne to abama am say munkotua muntua drabafo ano na se nke say aban ne ye bibi na esisi drabafo a matima ye de aboa ye enso busa say omuko ye no omuko ye no minimum so many aban ne ko sekete da aso so many aban ye den yo so musuro aban no so musuro eden yo yenim enti yakọ na se om bibisi na so omukọ na so omunko no munko ya omuba no omabeto to papa so December yebe to aba na aban dada wo twam na nado ene minister esiama ene ba omia omutimi hwe nyame anim hwe drobafo anim aka few days yebe to aba omuto petrom to aso be 2 times 3 times ye kase yebe to lol fe mu ye de lol fe ne ba bonten 15% ye kra de 20% ne ba ye empanifo pa ya cho se ye 15% mla omini minister koshia ye nim so omno om ko se kete da so any GPR2 port cooperative any true drivers any concern for so many minister ko se kete da so ye nim enti sa na da ni sa ne ma ne de ye ka che ye empanifo ne se enya de ye be adwuma because aban no on the repetu so ye tax eguso because o mampani a waba fofrei ye ka che ne se oban na so wo station em ye ka che ne se campaign a wo ye na wo ka se petrol no omo beti so no ana ye hawo na ye ka che ne mo tie ye no wonim se oba ye si won to si ne mpanifo na akora na nka obetima ye ahodu ama ye enso sila no yatum ama de sia no petrol no ye hwema nka wo ye ba betu lol film anka ye tu petrol mu du 10% a ene gese ye tu lol film enso na me no ka se petrol no from last year December to now petrol no ko 20%. Enti ka draba fon ke yesi yantum kura den ka 25% kese ye deba because ye ka say ye twen say aban we nso a waban woni ye mpanifo no emla no me say adwuma ndia ye nyi ye mpanifo ni sa from A to Z from GPR2 brought to a cooperative concern through drivers omun na ye nyi ye mpanifo ni because omun nya adwuma ni bi omo ma to cars no e no omo dia ma draba fo no omo ye adwuma eti adwuma
zero solution. But Ghanaians still said, say, a common diomo. Now, Mama buying 7th January, or buy a buying mono. Has it increased your salaries? No. But lorry fare is coming to be increased by 25%. 25%. Muamu jejereje. Muana mu yeye. You can't blame it on anybody. You can't blame it on nobody. And you see the kind of anarchy. You see anarchy, laissez-faire. We say. Now drivers no say. Omu leaders no, omu trust you omu bium. Now omu workers no, obi na ejuma ma omu. Now omu na omu kwai no so omu na omu se na omu bre. And it's omu leaders crab e ka say. Omu ntu lorry fare ne mu no, omu ntie. Drivers in the car say mo. Enti Banana Republic na ye pe no. Enti na yakoto abama NDC no. Enya start. Banana Republic, laissez-faire Republic, obia ye ni open Republic. Kana fo akoto abama no. Enwa na start. Now ebe bresi say. This is just transport. Electricity beba. Water, ebeba. Cost of living, Granny bono, Nina beba becount. And that is when we will miss the nado. That is when we will wish we had given the nod to Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Alhaji Papa, to come and lead this nation. And when that time, because they say, I broke for soon, I will say, Omunfi, no. I will say, yeah, I am fire, Semunko. Now, and upon all this way now we know now senior high school so back school now we to school fees say no na epe say na mu ka say you bet to meet here and I bet to meet you and I bet to meet you and no here when na more will come bebre beba ebru say bebre beba abeka ebu boba afi na eba enti ema obi anka ka so no one should complain. Nobody should open their mouth 360 and complain. We will not take any complaint. We will not accept any complaint from anybody. We knew whom and what we were voting for. We knew it. Say NDC, they are not a new people. Oh. From PNDC time, we have always known them. They have always been with us. And yes, sir, yet still, we have gone to trust them with this country, with this nation, with the progress we have made. We have said, sir, they have the best plan for our dear motherland, Ghana. And yes, sir. So nobody should complain. We will not accept complaints from anybody. We will not tolerate complaints from anybody. We will all suffer. Now, once we suffer to our place, mo amuti e kana minu ze media manto abama NDC enti media mi baby samuska mo ma me bi wa na menka Canavo, we have interesting terms ahead. 25% increment. Driver for per gram, we 50%. Yebetua. Mupia, we 50%. Yebetua. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.